Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and set up on my new mini walkie talkies. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for review, so let's go and take a look at them. User manual right here, and this is the 3-pack. I think these are like 2 or 3 ounces in weight, but they will cover up to 3 miles. It's these right here. Very cool, very compact. Standby battery is about 3 days, and like I said, 3-mile radius for these. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with the earpieces for them. So 3 of them right there. 3 different charging cables for them, so you can charge them all at once with the blocks. And it does use the micro USB. It does use a micro USB, as well as 3 lanyards for them as well. All right, so let's go ahead and actually turn it on. And as you can see, it is on right there. So one of the main reasons that they are able to make them so small is that it doesn't actually have a speaker built into it. So you will have to hook up one of these headsets to it. So we'll go ahead and try that out. All right, so you'll want to plug it into this piece right here. Just like that. This does have a way for you to like push this down anytime you have something to say. And then we'll put this on as well. Once you actually have it plugged in, I'll show you that you can actually hear, like once you start going through some of the functions on here. Very cool. So that's very neat. So I'm going to go ahead and put one downstairs with my wife, and then we'll see how it actually sounds. She's actually downstairs at the moment. So like I said, it's not about 3 miles, but like I said, something that we can definitely try out here in-house and see how they actually work. This one, I am going to put it on the lanyards. So we'll go ahead and just hook it up to this piece. And that way it's just like that. So that way, if you want to have it around your neck, you can do so, or anywhere else. But all right, so I put one downstairs, and they do have these little cushions for the earpiece as well. In order to talk, you will have to push this button and it'll turn red like that. And then when they start talking, you'll be able to hear them.
Testing. Can you hear me? Hello? Is this coming through? Loud and clear?
As you can see, it lights up green every time they're talking, and it'll light up red when you're talking. So it's just a very cool little indicator light on there. I do like that it has that LCD screen on there, letting you know you guys are both on the same channel. So as you can see, I'm not sure how great it's going to come through on the speaker on there, but the fact that, when you have it in your ear, it's loud and clear. You don't have to worry about whether you can hear that person or not, because it'll come a lot clearer through the actual earpiece, because it's super simple to use. This is a 3-pack. I believe they make it in a 2-pack as well. So if you guys are looking for some new, cool mini walkie-talkies, definitely look into these. I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend.